mother of debutant Mr. Antonio Bacuit. The mother of the debutant Ms. Antonia Orinain Bacuit. The brother of the debutant Mr. Anthony Bacuit, Erich Bacuit, and the sister of the debutant Adrian Bacuit.
And now, it's time for us to welcome our debutant. Guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand as we welcome the debutant as a woman of grandeur, now hot and legal. Escorted by Julian Patripies, let's give a big round of applause for our debutant,
Ms. Astrid Bacuit.
Another round of applause for our debutant.
Candles. And we have a short brief message from the proud parents.
Lalo na kay Chairman Ian Orindain. Sana po pumunta siya dito. Maraming salamat po sa oras na inilaan ninyo para sa kasiyahan ng pamilya ko at ang buong pamilya ko na andito. Sana po bless tayong lahat ng magandang panahon at sana kasiyahan. Salamat po sa inyong pagpunta.
Tama eh. Ipapasalamat pala ako kay Chairman Nurinday po sa binigay pong binigay sa akin. Ipapasalamat ako sa mga kapitbahay ko at sa mga pamangkin ko na dito maging sa birthday ng anak ko ngayon. Dalaga na si Asit, oh. May boyfriend na. Diba? Sabi ko, aral muna. Dali lang naman. Aral muna. Maraming salamat po.
Before the wish of Miss Ivy, it symbolizes security as it may illuminate circumstances. It may also signify 8 insignificant people in our celebrant's life who serve as her guide as she grows.
Ayan siya.
Happy Legal HB. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap. Today, she's stepping to our house. I hope you find
Mga mag-switch nito.
So,
At saan ka? Candles. Candles sila.
Next may we call on one of her
wish ko yung pangarap mo maging tsaka
Kaya mo yan, Ben! Kaya mo yan!
happy birthday natin.
Carla Maagas.
Lapit ka doon!
Yeah, Seth, happy birthday. Now that you're turning in 18, I hope and I pray that you will be more, that you are more big.
Sinakain.
Wala dito sa gaba! Sa gabain! Wala na, iyak siya. Wala na, iyak na siya.
Kasi, okay lang mag-boyfriend ka.
Thank you, Pipa.
Ay, kala mo kinaganda na yan. Ako siya pinag-aalala sa amin. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Makabait ka. Ha? Alam mo na. Dito lang ako, ha? Sabi mo sa akin lahat. Maging mabuting tao ka lang sa lahat. Okay na yun. Malalaman ka na naman. Gagawin na mo lahat para sa'yo. I love you, babe.
Now may we request the debutant na i-blow yung candle, your 18 candles, as we sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy birthday. Blow your candles. Beauty and love. The 18 roses signify 18 very special gentlemen in the life of the debutant. Like brothers, boyfriend, and of course, can never forget the father, for he's always the last dance. Now, for the first dance, may we call on Xavier Casanales. Yapo ang maso. Tapos na next na. Ay, hindi.
always happy, choose to na be smart in life kasi ayun, palagi naman may struggle sa buhay and ayun, piliin mo lang palagi maging masaya. Happy birthday ulit!
Thank you, Friza. Next is Sophia Romero.
Welcome to the age of legality. May our Lord give you the desire of heart and make all your plans succeed. Achieve your goals in your life and more candles to blow.
Thank you everyone. Happy birthday, Aset.
Inawa.
Wish mo muna. Wish ka muna.
Okay, na 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Ase!
Binigyan ako ng ganitong chance kahit napakamahal dito sa kanila. Team